Hi, this is Express and I'll be doing the radical walking tours, and I'll be talking about the American Sugar Beet Factory that is located here in Oxnard between 5th Street and Willie Road. With the sugar factory operating at the time and the construction of the railroad going on, this allowed for Mexican, Japanese, and Chinese workers to move to Oxnard, contributing to the population of Oxnard, which increased rapidly during the early 20th century. The factory can be considered a hidden gem here in Oxnard, since many locals don't know about the history behind the factory, especially due to the fact that the original building was torn down in 1959. The American Sugar Beet Factory has a lot of rich history, and it was a big contribution to Oxnard's population. For example, during the 20th century, it was the second largest sugar beet factory in the world. With the sugar factory, more work was attracted, allowing for Mexican, Japanese, and Chinese workers to come, especially with the railroad in progress, which increased the population in Oxnard in the early 20th century. The American Sugar Beet Factory placard is right here in front of the Inlaquech Center, and this is the end of the radical walking tour. Make sure you check out the rest and like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.